Are you a woman that's been experiencing pain with sex, whether it's with initial penetration or deeper thrusting? Have you told anyone, any healthcare provider, and have been told, just relax, it's all in your head, have a glass of wine? Well, we're here to tell you that's not the solution to painful sex, and that pain with sex is common, but it's certainly not normal. Hi everyone, I'm Susan Winograd with Pelvicore Rehab, where we believe healing requires a total body approach. Did you know that 75% of women will experience painful intercourse at some point throughout their life? This is unacceptable. The great news is that the pelvic floor muscles are skeletal muscles. They respond to physical therapy beautifully, just like any other muscle in your body. So we can treat your pelvic floor muscles with manual therapy techniques, with stretching, with relaxation techniques that can make intercourse so much more comfortable. There's another really important part to this treatment, and that's connecting the brain with the body. It's called neuromuscular training. Dilators are a really effective way to teach your brain and your body that perhaps you don't need to involuntarily contract those muscles to guard them, that part of your body is safe and that penetration at this time is okay. And we do that with progressive dilator sizes. We start with a very small size dilator that you're super comfortable with. And I really want to articulate that this entire process should be pain-free. And then we slowly increase the size of the dilator until you're super comfortable. And then before you know it, your brain realizes, hey, she's been inserting things and I have been totally fine. Therefore, intercourse is going to be fine as well. Treating painful intercourse is one of the more common things we treat, and it's actually my favorite thing to treat because we get results at a really good pace, and we are really improving the quality of life of our clients. Remember that pain with intercourse is common, but it is never normal, and it is usually completely resolvable. So find a pelvic floor therapist to help you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe so you don't miss any other amazing videos with Pelvicore Plus.